Last year, in the last year. What's the difference? And how do we use them? Keep watching and find out. Okay, last year versus in the last year. Let's get started. What is the difference between the expressions last year and in the last year? Well, both last year and in the last year refer to the past. Last year means that something happened during the previous calendar year. Calendar year. Okay, what does this mean? Well, let's look at an example. It is now 2024. So if I say, I went to Mexico City last year, it means that I went to Mexico City sometime in 2023, the calendar year. This means between January 1st, 2023 and December 31st, 2023. And so this means during the previous calendar year. In the last year means that something happened during the previous 12 months. Counting back in time from today. That sounds similar to the calendar year, right? But it's not. Let's look at this example. It is now September 26th, 2024. So if I say, I went to Mexico City in the last year, it means that I went to Mexico City sometime between September 26th, 2023 and today, September 26th, 2024. This means during the previous 12 months, counting back from today. So it's not the calendar year, it's 12 months in the past, starting from today. Make sense? However, the simple past tense is incorrect here in this example. I went to Mexico City in the last year is not correct, but I will explain why later in the video, okay? The reason I used the same tense for both examples is I wanted to focus on the meaning of last year and in the last year. I didn't want to change the grammar because it might confuse you. So keep watching until the end of the video and I will talk about why the grammar needs to change. Okay? So let's continue. But first, if you're learning something in this video so far, give this video a like. I would really appreciate it. Thanks so much. Okay, I sometimes hear students say in last year without the. So in the last year, in last year. In last year is incorrect because it does not exist in English. Okay? We don't say in last year I did this, right? No. I went to Mexico City in last year. This is not correct. However, when year takes the possessive, we do say in last years. Notice the possessive apostrophe S. For example, in last year's report, the company noted significant growth. Okay, this means in the report from last year, the company noted significant growth. It also means in the report from 2023, the company noted significant growth. So, in last year's report, in the report from last year, in the report from 2023, it's the same meaning. Okay? Here's another difference between last year and in the last year. Last year refers to a specific point in time, only the previous calendar year. And last year requires the simple past tense because we use simple past to talk about a specific point in time. I went to Mexico City last year. In the last year refers to a non-specific point in time, which could be yesterday, 365 days ago, or any time in between. Okay? So in the last year requires the present perfect tense, not the simple past tense. Okay? Why? Well, remember, the simple past we use to talk about a specific point in time, and the present perfect tense we use to talk about the past in a non-specific point in time. Watch my video about present perfect here. Okay. So, I went to Mexico City in the last year. This is not correct. I have been to Mexico City in the last year. This is correct. Okay, I began eating healthier in January of last year. This is simple past, and it's a specific point in time. Last year in January. Okay? I have begun to eat healthier in the last year. This is a non-specific point in time, and we are using the present perfect tense, have begun. Maybe I don't remember specifically when I began to eat healthier. Or maybe it's not important. I got my cat last year. This means 2023. If you are watching this video in 2024, right? If it's 2025, then if I say I got my cat last year, that means 2024. But then I would say I got my cat 2 years ago, because if I got my cat in 2023, and this is true, I need to say 2 years ago. You get it. Okay. Has your cat been to the vet in the last year? This means any time in the last 12 months. So during the previous 12 months. Again, today is September 26th. So the question refers to yesterday or any time between yesterday and September 26th, 2023. So during the previous 12 months. Okay, guys, let me know your questions and comments down in the comments section below and your ideas for future videos. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you did, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and hit the bell icon because YouTube will tell you when I release all of my future videos. My name is Liam. This is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple. I will see you in a future video. Bye for now.